Hey everybody, Team Waterbucks here. We're going to show you how to change the temperature settings on your electric water heater. This is handy as here in Arizona, a lot of us will adjust our temperatures down going into the summer months because of course our water is already so hot coming into the house. And then of course we'll turn them back up during the winter months when the water is coming in colder. Now, because we're going to be opening this up, it is recommended that you go ahead and pull the service disconnect breaker if you have one of those, or in your main breaker panel, go ahead and find the one that is labeled for your water heater and turn the breaker off. That way you don't have any power to the unit. Now, different water heaters are going to have a different configuration. Some will have a screw top and bottom. Some are going to have just one like this one. Most of them will take a flathead screwdriver, or you can also use a nut driver. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get that cover removed. And they're going to have insulation in there, so you're going to go ahead and pull out that insulation or lift it up. And then what we've got in here now is our temperature setting. And we'll zoom in on this here in just a second. But they're going to also have this, and this is, since we've got the power off, this is to protect the electrical components, the heating elements. And what you're going to want to do is to adjust your temperature setting. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver, and there's a little notch right there on the dial, and you can just turn that to adjust your settings. So this is how you are going to adjust your settings for your temperature on your water heater. And you can see there, we'll get in there. That's actually what you're adjusting. And these units will typically have one upper heating element and a lower heating element. So you're going to want to go ahead and adjust both of those, put it back together, and then go ahead and turn that breaker back on. Hope that's helpful.